Hello and welcome to my new Watercolor Botanical illustration class. In this class, we will paint these gorgeous juicy yellow lemons and we'll learn about main techniques for painting botanical illustration. My name is Aleksandryna and I'm a watercolor artist. I love to paint everything from landscapes to animals and botanical illustrations. In the beginning of the class, I will show you main watercolor techniques for painting leaves, because it's one of the most important elements in any botanical painting. I will share main color mixes for natural green shade and will share art materials I will use for this class. Then we will move to drawing a sketch, and you can also find a copy of my sketches in the attachments to this class. And finally we will move to painting lemons step by step. This class is designed both for beginners and for intermediate artists. This class includes 2 class projects for each level. You can paint a single lemon with the leaves at the beginner level, or create a more complex composition with 2 lemons at intermediate level. Or, of course, you can paint both. I hope to see you in the class.